Settled AP. Mounted on a springy ceiling using a 7mm mounting bracket. Before installing an AP, check the type and specifications of the installation scenario to determine the installation method and required materials. This video provides instructions on how to mount an AP on a springy ceiling using steel wire ropes. Springies are concealed within ceilings. Their most distinctive feature is that only the covered ceiling is visible, not everywhere else. The ceilings are made of aluminum panels, which have limited carrying capability due to their installation mode. Therefore, APs cannot be directly mounted on aluminum panels. Self-locking steel ropes are recommended to mount an AP on a springy ceiling. Thread the ropes through the aluminum panels to bundle the AP on the springy. Before installing the AP, confirm the position of the springy. This enables you to determine where the AP should be installed. To confirm the position of the springy, do as follows. First, remove one or two aluminum panels. The rails that clamp the two sides of an aluminum panel are the springies. Springies are distributed in parallel and in the same direction. They are not vertical to each other. Therefore, the AP can only be mounted at the joint point between two aluminum panels where the springies are distributed. Prepare appropriate tools and protective gear before installation, as the installation position may be high. Only experts wearing protective gear can perform installation. You need to prepare a 7mm mounting bracket and 2 steel wire ropes. The joint of ceilings is exactly the axis of symmetry for the mounting bracket. Mark the mounting hole positions on the two sides of the joint point with a marker. Group J holes on the mounting bracket are recommended. Drill holes on the aluminum panels based on the marks. The diameters of holes should be slightly larger than those of steel wire ropes. Lead the steel wire ropes through the Group J holes on the mounting bracket and the holes on the ceiling in sequence. Tighten the ropes and tighten the heads of ropes. The mounting bracket is secured to the ceiling. Drill a hole in the ceiling in front of the mounting bracket. Ensure that the up arrow points to the hole. Route cables through the hole. Connect the cable to the correct interface on the AP. Clamp the AP on the mounting bracket. Ensure that the 4 rubber feet on the rear of the AP fit into the mounting holes. Slide the AP slowly. When you hear a click sound from the release lever, the AP is properly installed. Check the installation and request qualified commissioning personnel to power on and commission the AP.